Hey, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for supporting your girl. And if you're new, please make yourself comfortable, like, share and subscribe to our channel for more goodies. Alright guys, I know that you'll be wondering what I'm having in the video, so guys, stick around to the end to find out what I'm having. Thank you. From the look of things, you gotta tell that this drink hits differently. Like, it's very delicious, very nutritious and refreshing. So guys, you don't want to miss on this, so stick around once again and find out what I'm having. You can see from my countertop, I have one banana, a bowl of spinach and one cucumber. As you can see, my banana is washed, my spinach is washed, and my cucumber as well. So we jump right into chopping it. Start with chopping the cucumber. I'm not going to be using all of them, I'm just going to be using half of it. So guys, I will throw in my spinach into the blender. Yes, spinach is a superfood, guys. You might want to even incorporate spinach in almost everything you eat. It has antioxidant properties, it helps our skin, it helps our metabolism. Guys, the benefits are endless. Right there is my banana. We all know that banana has a lot of vitamins, good for our skin, good for our metabolism, has magnesium and potassium, which are good for the heart and also for the skin. Okay guys, I quickly wash off my hands and continue with what I was doing. I clear the area and then start to chop my carrots in bite sizes. Yeah, you chop it in bite sizes so they can be easily blended. Guys, cucumber is another superfood. It has a lot of water, less in calorie, good for our skin, like helps our digestive system. Guys, like, you don't want to sleep on this. Cucumber is the bomb. Throw in my cucumber and set it aside to be blended. I grab my water. I'm going to be adding like 8 ounces of water in the cucumber, banana and spinach mixture. I grab the lid, cover it tightly to ensure that it doesn't spill while blending. In for blending, guys, just fix it on my blender and blend away. So guys, I'm done blending. Oh my god, just look at this. This is lovely. Guys, just look at the size. Just the size alone makes you wanna just drink it up right away. So I got my cup ready to consume this cup of goodness. Oh my god, this is so lovely. Guys, this is packed with antioxidant properties, has enough magnesium, potassium. Oh, I can't even overemphasize it. This is goodness, like this is gold, guys. Please make this smoothie and you will not regret it. Guys, who said eating healthy is boring? The person hasn't seen this smoothie at all. So guys, this is packed with nutrients. It's good for your skin, your digestive system, your immunity. Like, this is a burst of flavor, guys. Please make this at home and consume. You will love it. The taste is good and it's nutritious, so it's a win-win for all of us. So I got my straw to chocolate down this goodness. Oh my god, this is so lovely. That's me right there, about to chocolate down my cup of goodness. I transferred it into my chuggable cup. I love drinking it from this. Like, it hits differently, guys. Oh my god. Oh gosh. It's so lovely. It's so lovely, guys. This is nutritious. Like, your skin will be revitalized, your immune system, everything about you will be glowing. That's me again. Still can't get enough of the smoothie. Like, oh my god. You can see that it hits differently. Like, oh, this is great. So guys, please try this at home and let me know what you think.